Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to get monetization on YouTube channel. So first you need to create a brand channel, and if you already have a personal channel then please move to it on brand channel. Meet eligibility requirements. You need at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the past 12 months to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. Enable monetization. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Monetization, and follow the steps to enable monetization. Set up AdSense. Link your YouTube channel to a Google AdSense account which handles your payments. Follow YouTube's policies. Ensure your content adheres to YouTube's community guidelines and advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Ads and revenue streams. You can earn through ads, channels, memberships, super chat, and YouTube Premium revenue sharing. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, and use effective keywords and tags to increase visibility. Engage with your audience. Build a local, loyal fan base by responding to comments and engaging with viewers. Remember, monetization might not bring significant earnings initially. Focus on creating valuable content and growing your audience first. So, guys, this is how you can get monetization on YouTube. Hope this video helps you guys. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.